Napakasakit ng pag-iyak ng kapamilya aktor at singer na si Sam Milby, nang muling mapag-usapan ang paghihiwalay nila ng dating fiancé na si Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray. Hindi raw emotional na tao si Sam Milby, pero hindi niya napigilan ang mapaluha habang sumasagot sa mga tanong sa kanya ng King of Talk na si Boy Abunda, hinggil sa paghihiwalay nila ni Catriona. Si Sam ang special guest sa episode ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda noong March 3. Ito ang unang pagkakataon na umapir ang binata sa isang programa ng GMA7. Natanong ni Tito Boy si Sam kung paano nga ba niya hinaharap at tinatanggap ang mga pinagdaanang breakups, kabilang na nga ang hiwalayan nila ni Catriona, matapos ang ilang taong relasyon at engagement. Not well. I think every breakup is a different situation. Kung ikaw ang nasaktan o kung ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit yung breakup, so it depends on the situation. But I think any breakup is not easy, paliwanag ng binata. Sumunod na question ni Tito Boy, alam ng buong bayan na naghiwalay na kayo ni Catriona Gray. How did it affect you? How did you handle the breakup? It was a fairy tale relationship insofar as we were concerned. The queen had found a prince and they were engaged. One morning, we woke up to find out that the engagement had been broken. We were distraught. How were you and how did you handle that? Tanong ng award-winning TV host. Tugon ni Sam, honestly, not well. And like I said, any breakup is not easy. It's hard to talk about yung breakup namin. It's something I didn't wanna talk about. I did an interview with MJ Felipe, which everyone knows about, and it was mainly to clear yung issue. Ani Sam na ang tinutukoy, ay ang kung ano-anong naglalabasang chika about the breakup. Isa na nga rito ay ang umano'y pagiging third party ng singer at kaibigan dati ni Sam na si Moira de la Torre. Explika ng aktor, with social media now, people want to just connect so many things and believe so many things, na walang katotohanan. And I felt the need to clear yung issue na there was no third party, and yung sinasabi na si Moira yung third party. I wanted to make that clear, but it's something I actually didn't wanna talk about. Sa amin ni Kat, we've always been private about our relationship. And as respect sa kanya, I don't still feel comfortable talking about our relationship, pagbabahagi pa ni Sam. Tanong ulit ni Boy Abunda, Sam, diretsa ito. Number 1, I wanna address what you said, maraming speculations dahil walang facts. Kulang kami ng alam. We don't know what's happening. So some people would speculate, would create stories just to make this whole thing interesting. But I think some people go overboard. But again, ang pinanggagalingan nun is because there is an absence of the truth of the story. Pangalawa, hindi maganda ang hawak mo, ang pagdadala mo sa paghihiwalay. And I am interested to find out, itong paghihiwalay ninyo ni Kat, how did you survive it? How did you handle that? And some people would say, it was easy for him. He's over it. He has moved on, etc. We wanna hear your side of the story, sabi pa ng TV host. Sagot ni Sam, well, the people are thinking that it is easy. It's been very hard, honestly. And like I said, I really don't wanna talk about any details about the relationship. Pag-amin pa ni Sam Milby, it's been rough. No breakup is easy. It's really been rough. It wasn't only mag-boyfriend-girlfriend kami, we were engaged. And to have that not pushed through, it's been really rough, honestly. Dito na nga tuluyang bumigay si Sam at napaiyak na, kaya hindi na naipagpatuloy ang pagpapaliwanag. Ilang sandali rin siyang tumahimik habang patuloy na tumutulo ang luha. Pagpapatuloy ni Sam, I think it's better to be honest about it. I didn't expect to be emotional right now, I'm sorry, I don't want It's hard sometimes to talk about it, but if people think it has. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I am not an emotional person and it was, I don't want to go into details, and I would. The more you talk about any issue, mas maraming bala yung mga tao to use against you, and I don't wanna give. Feeling namin, mahal na mahal pa rin ni Sam si Catriona, kaya napakasakit pa rin para sa kanya ang kanilang paghihiwalay. Ramdam na ramdam sa pag-iyak niya ang sakit ng pagkawasak ng kanilang relasyon.